Can we make a bumblebee out of this carrot? I think we can. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I got this carrot from Dollar Tree. It's like a thing you put in your garden. And I kind of like twisted off this metal leaf part. And then I twisted off the little curlicues. Then I'm kind of fanning open those leaves, just like that. So that they kind of look like what? Like wings. I know. Listen, I know this one is out there, but just stay with me. You'll see how my brain works. So what I'm doing here is multi-surface paint, and I'm just using a foam brush, and I'm dabbing it on all of this. I keep calling them leaves. They're leaves, whatever. And then I did the same thing on those curlicues. I also used that same black paint, and I painted the inside with a brush on each of those spirals. And then I used that same foam brush, and I just dabbed on the outside so that this is all black. Then after that, I took a ping pong ball and I used the same paint, and I did 2 coats of that. And I actually put the ping pong ball on a wooden skewer so that we could paint it. Next, I take some, I think this is Dixie Belle. The color is Daisy chalk paint. And I'm using a dauber, and I'm just going over it with, and I'm not going all the way around because I don't want it all yellow. I want stripes of yellow. So see how I kind of went around and I kind of twisted and did the paint on one, and then space. Then I did another one, and I didn't go all the way up. I just went, 3/4 of the way. It was a little bit challenging. Again, I know this one is really out there, and you kind of do have to kind of, is it a bee? Can it be? It is. but it is weird. And listen, I'm just going to say this. This is what happens when I clean my craft room. I find neat stuff and I'm like, oh, what can we do with that? So this is I found it in my craft supply, and I said, hey, let's see what we can do with it. So, all right, so there it is. I'm going to let it dry really well. Then that little ping pong ball. Remember that hole we had for the skewers? Well, we're going to just shove those little metal curlicues in that, and that will make its little antenna. Next, I have this is silver chalk paint, and I'm just dabbing it on just to make it look a little bit more like a wing, I guess. Then I am gluing that little headpiece on the inside of those spirals, and then I glued on the wings to the back. Now, if you want this to be permanent forever and not do anything, use E6000 or Aleene's heavy duty glue, something like that. I was just looking at, can I do it? Could we possibly? I mean, this joker is in a plant in my kitchen. So it didn't go outside. But look at, you know what? I'm not mad. Look at how cute that is. I mean, I think it's adorable. Do I think that it's perfect? No, but I'm not mad. And I feel like I feel excited because I used something in my craft stash that was just getting dusty. So look at how cute they are. I mean, come on, adorbs. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.